seems as if someone tried to burn it before. You know, this area that I'm walking, it's an old train line. I think it goes from Reading to Bristol back in the days. It was used to transfer coal. That's what I was told. I don't know if it's true. I can do some research. But yeah, I was told that it was used. This specific line goes from Reading to Bristol, and it was used to transfer the coal from the coal mine here in Reading to Bristol. If anyone in the comment section, if any of my viewers have any information on that, just clip it to the comments. A weird looking tree, isn't it? What's that thing up there? Was someone trying to build a tree house or something at some stage? It's a nice tree for that, I must say. A lot of birds. So previously I did some videos right here. Some badgers lives in these holes. Some of them doesn't seem that active anymore. But there's one more thing. The main thing that I would like to have a look at around here. Yeah, it's over a year now I've done that video. So it's down the side of this. There's a river down here. Look at this massive tree. So this is what I'm here to see, but you haven't seen anything as yet, unless you saw one of my previous video that I did. So keep calm and go have a look. So previously there was a, okay, maybe that little bit of paper there, but there was some writing on the tree. I think it was saying something about how old the tree is and pleading for people to stop burning fire at the root. of the tree. As you can see, it seems as if someone tried to burn it before. Anyway, that's what I'm here to see today, and to test my camera. It's not supposed to be a long video.